Hello friends, this is Dr. Sanil Nadekar. I'm practicing microendodontics and general dentistry. So today I'm here to review one of the product which I've received from ATEETH and it's called UltraMint Pro. It's an ultrasonic device. So let's get started with the review. First of all, look at the design. It looks very elegant. It is very compact and the build quality looks excellent. Now I won't cover the technical aspect of it, I'm just covering the clinical point of view, how this machine will help you in your daily practice. Coming to the machine, so UltraMint Pro basically have two options which are available. One option you can use direct water supply for your ultrasonic unit, or the second option you can use a water tank which is given with the model. So you can either choose whatever model which suits your practice. Either you can go for a direct or you can go for a water tank. So it looks very elegant, this water tank which is given with the machine. So the removal is extremely easy. You can just remove it, fill water, preferably RO water or the distilled water which you can use for your ultrasonic unit to maintain the longevity of your equipment. After filling that tank, you can start using the ultrasonic device. Here the handpiece is given and these are the ultrasonic tips which are given along with. You can autoclave this handpiece. These are the tips which are given with this ultrasonic handpiece, and there are wide variety of tips are very much available. You have endo tip which is also given, and there are certain perio tips which are also given which can be used for different purposes. Now this is the tail pipe which is present with this handpiece, and there is this is basically the adjustable knob which is given for the water supply. So in your normal ultrasonic units what you use, basically the only problem which I always feel every time you have to go back to your chair and then adjust the water supply whatever is required. On this handpiece, basically there is a water volume adjustment knob which is present on the tailpipe. This is called as a tailpipe. Now this is very much useful, especially when you're using a direct water supply. So this can be adjusted according to whatever you need while working on a patient. This is, I feel personally, a very good feature, I think, which in most of the ultrasonic models that we use, we don't have this feature. Normally we have to go back to our chair and then adjust the volume, but here you can adjust right on your handpiece. Just suppose if you are using the inbuilt water tank which is given with this ultrasonic unit, you have a water adjustment knob which is present right here, so you can adjust the volume of the water as per your requirement. Another good feature that this model has is a beautiful display that is given. Now this is basically a power display or a power display window on which you can see you can increase or decrease the frequency of the ultrasonic, the power of the ultrasonics, if you want to reduce it depending upon the case which you are doing, from 1 to 10. As well as that, there are certain modes which are given which we normally see with our routine ultrasonic units, such as general mode or perio mode or endodontic mode. So these are extremely useful when you are working on variety of cases, so you can adjust according to your requirement, and also you can select if you are using a direct water supply or you are using a water tank. So another feature which I really liked is that they have not given you a normal wrench along with this handpiece. So they have given a force limiting wrench. So you limit the amount of force that is basically applied on the ultrasonic tips, which we are normally seeing that because when we excessively tight those tips, we might sometimes damage the threadings. So they have given a torque limiting, or you can say the force limiting wrenches. So this basically you can restrict the amount of force that is getting applied on the tips that we are connecting with the handpiece. So there are various slots which are given. Few important points which I want to mention here is that the frequency which is normally obtained from this unit is ranging from 25 to 42 kHz, which is extremely good. I have tried it extensively. I have tried it on a variety of patients, and in the possibly the most difficult and the most extensive situation as much as possible. And what I found that the unit is extremely good in handling. The amount of vibrations that are felt by the patients are extremely low. So this is very very convenient. It is very light for the patient, especially when we are working on the difficult perio cases when there is a lot of plaque and calculus, which is deposits which are present. So normally we need to apply a lot of pressure to remove those calculus, but I think the frequency with which is obtained from this unit is pretty good, so that the work becomes very easy, and you don't have to apply too much of pressure. All the parts which are present here, which are removable parts, are basically autoclavable. So you can autoclave all these parts, including the handpiece and the attachments which are present, along with the ultrasonic tips which are given. So the unit is a fiber optic handpiece, and as soon as you start, you can see the fiber optic illumination is usually seen. But when you cut off that, when you stop the unit, when you remove your foot from the pedal, you can see that the light still illuminates for at least 10 seconds. So you can adjust that cutoff time of the light for ranging between 3 to 10 seconds. So my review for this product, it looks extremely good. It looks extremely promising, and a big thumbs up for this product. Thank you A-Teeth for giving me this chance to use this product. Probably one of the first clinician in the world to test it personally. So thank you for the trust. I would definitely rate this ultrasonic unit extremely high in my rating, and I would definitely suggest many clinicians to do try it. It's a great tool. It's great, especially for your endodontic cases and your perio cases. Extremely handy, extremely useful, and yes, a big thumbs up. Thank you. I will be preparing certain videos of this ultrasonic unit on demo models, on the endo replicas, which will be uploaded soon. So stay tuned, and a big thumbs up once again for this Ultramint Pro and to the team A-Teeth. Thank you. This is Dr. Sanil Nadekar signing off. Take care. Bye bye.